Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, power retractable running boards, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, navigation system, voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.